In this video, we're looking at extracting the time from a date. We have two variables, one called myDate as date and one extracted time as date. First of all, we're going to set the variable myDate equals to now, which is the current date and time. We're going to display this variable myDate, and then we're going to retrieve the time only. To do so, we're going to use the variable extracted time equals FormatDateTime. And in parentheses, we're going to first, as a first parameter, we're going to put the variable myDate. And then the second parameter is going to be vbShortTime to give us the short format of the time that we're extracting here. So if I launch the macro right now, what I'm going to be able to see is the date and the time first, and second, the time only.